Many people check their blood pressure at home and still get wrong results. Let me show you how to use an arm-type blood pressure monitor the right way and for the right result. This is the cuff. You wrap it around your left upper arm just above the elbow, not too tight and not too loose. This here is the monitor, the machine itself that displays your blood pressure and pulse reading. Once the cuff inflates and deflates, your results will show on this screen. The monitor has a battery compartment which allows you to power it using batteries. This is useful if there is no electricity or you are checking your blood pressure on the go. Most arm-type blood pressure monitors also come with a power plug option, so you can connect to a safe power source. Depending on the model, this may be a USB cable or a Type-C cord. No matter the power source you're using, make sure the monitor is properly connected before every other thing. Make sure you prepare your body by sitting calmly for 5 minutes. Sit with back supported, feet flat, legs uncrossed. Use the upper arm, not wrist. Place cuff about 2 cm above elbow, and the tube should run along the inner arm. Not too tight, not too loose. Make sure the cuff sits directly on the skin or over very thin clothing. Now connect the cuff to the monitor. Sit with your back supported. Relax your arm. Don't talk or move. Press the start button.
Attention please. Please keep silent and relax. Keep the cuff at heart level. Start measurement now.
The arm should rest at heart level. Allow the cuff and monitor to inflate and deflate. Then read the results. Understanding the numbers are very important. Systolic, the top number, pressure when heart beats.
116 millimeter of mercury pillar. Your diastolic blood pressure.
Diastolic, bottom number, pressure when heart rests, and the pulse, which is the heart rate. For more accuracy, wait 1 to 2 minutes, take second reading or third reading, and record the average. When you're done, unplug, uncuff, package, and keep safely. Home blood pressure monitoring saves lives when done correctly. Subscribe for more.